Understanding the phrase, a force for good. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, a force for good. This is a powerful expression often used in English to describe someone or something that has a positive and meaningful impact on the world or in specific situations. Let's explore how you can use this phrase to express positivity and hope. The phrase, a force for good, is made up of three key parts. First, let's look at the word, force. In this context, a force is something with power or influence. It's not just about physical strength, but also about the ability to make a significant change or impact. The word, for, indicates support or favor. It means that the force is directed positively, aiming to benefit or help. Finally, good refers to positive outcomes, moral righteousness, or beneficial effects. So, when these words come together as a force for good, it describes something that actively creates positive change and contributes positively to a situation, community, or the entire world. Let's put a force for good into context with some examples. Individuals as a force for good. Mother Teresa was a force for good, dedicating her life to helping the poor and sick. Organizations as a force for good. The charity has been a force for good, providing education and resources to underprivileged communities. Ideas as a force for good. Democracy can be a force for good, giving people the power to shape their own society. By using this phrase, you are not only describing the positive impact but also implying a sense of active, powerful contribution and a moral or ethical commitment to doing what is right. You can use a force for good in various communication settings to express admiration, support, or hope. In writing, use it in articles, essays, or reports to highlight the positive influence of a person, organization, or concept. In speeches, incorporate it into your speeches or presentations to motivate and inspire your audience about the potential for positive change. In everyday conversation, use it to express your positive opinion about someone's actions or the role of an initiative in society. Remember, the phrase carries a weight of positivity and should be used when you genuinely believe in the positive impact of the subject you're discussing. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, a force for good. We hope you now feel confident using this expression in your own English communications. It's a powerful way to acknowledge and talk about positive influences in our world. Keep practicing, and don't forget, your words can also be a force for good. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.